That's like a good idea, easy cooking. Good idea, easy cooking.
Just like gone on YouTube, figure your brain some new food. Because we channel that if you watch, if you subscribe, we're gonna like that.
Hello people! Welcome to another Ian and Tina vlog.
We just got in.
Yes, we had a busy morning.
We were at the optician.
Yes.
You know, getting our eyes test. You know how it is you get, well, most people don't know how it is.
No.
You know? Most people don't know how it is because White for Life has always worn glasses.
Since I was about 11 years old.
Right? And I was accompanying her in 2009.
Yes.
As she was doing going to the optician. And while I was there, the optician was like, do you want to get your eyes tested? So I was like, no, I'm cool, I'm good. And he was like, no, I'll do it for free.
Yeah.
So after I test my eyes, I realized that with the glasses he gave me, I could actually see better.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So
and really he's got 20/20 vision, but he needs, I would say, a little bit of tweaking.
right. So
you know?
It's pretty much up to me at this moment whether or not I need glasses. But White for Life does need to change her lens. Jay might need to change his lens.
Yes.
So that's been our situation this morning.
Yeah.
We were expecting a package.
Right.
You know, so we kind of like asked our neighbor to collect the package for us. And while doing so, we did the safe thing of leaving a message on our mailbox.
Yeah.
And we have to give credit to Switzerland, you know, because I don't know what happened. Maybe our neighbor didn't hear the doorbell.
Yeah, or she had to go out or something.
Don't know, but when we came back, the package was just sitting out there.
Yeah, sitting outside.
I'm not so sure if that would work in anywhere else in the world.
No.
You know? I'm not so sure.
For the company that I work for, every year on your birthday they give you what they call a geschenk or a good shine.
Right.
This is the good shine. This is HelloFresh. By the way, we're not being sponsored or anything for HelloFresh, and we've seen a lot of other vloggers do it. It's a gift from my workplace, and I don't work for HelloFresh, so
so
yes. But because we've seen other vloggers do it, so we decided to incorporate it into our vlog today and what we got in there. As a cook, as a chef myself, I don't think that I'll be using HelloFresh again, but you know,
well, thank God it's not a sponsor then.
No. No, but yeah, we'll see, because I enjoy going to the supermarket and picking out my fresh meats and foods and salads and vegetables myself, and you know, that's just me as a cook, as a chef. So so what you do, what I got a code. I don't think I should show the code, but I got a code here.
Right.
Then I went online to HelloFresh, which is www.hellofresh.ch
for Switzerland.
For Switzerland. I'm sure it's co.uk for England, or .com, or blah blah. So I went online and you put in the code that they gave you on the gift card, and it tells you what you're allowed to order. And I'm not sure without the gift card if you have a wider choice. But
what you're allowed to order, or the value of it?
I think both, the value of it. So they've got two boxes. They've got a vegetarian box, and they've got a meat box, meat and fish.
Right. And
I chose the meat box, and it's up to 4 people over 3 days. So there's 3 recipes that you could use.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what does that mean? Does that mean we're getting more boxes, or?
No, everything's in one box.
Okay.
So yeah, we can see what we got in the box. We can choose to eat all the recipes in one day, or you know.
Let's go see.
Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, so let's have a look inside.
Okay.
So it's all in German, but that's like a good idea, easy cooking. Good idea, easy cooking.
Or easy cooked.
Yeah, easy cooked. So let's see. Some little
offers and promotions.
Here are the actual foods that you can cook, and all these recipes inside this box here.
Right.
So this is vegetarian fajitas with peppers and mushrooms. So that's one.
Right.
So this one is spicy chicken or hot chicken with coconut curry.
Right.
With rice and peppers and cauliflower.
Yes.
Sorry, forgot my English.
You're German.
And this is
Pork.
This is pork fillet with this is like different kinds of
Krautwurst.
yeah, I'm trying to what's it called in English? Seasoning. So this is pork fillet seasoned, and that comes with salad and mashed potato.
Right, that's salad and mashed potato there.
Yeah.
So mashed potato is
Kartoffelstampf.
and salad.
Blattsalat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what should be in there. So let's see what else. Oh, they've got codes here for other people if I want to give to a friend or somebody. So may do that. Let's see what's inside. Shows
And you can get the app from the Apple Store.
Yes.
Well, HelloFresh better sponsor us after this.
Not after what I said. But anyway.
Well, you weren't really knocking it. You're just saying because you like your own.
Yeah.
You like to pick up your vegetable yourself.
Yes.
You wouldn't really use HelloFresh.
No, but I mean, I'm not so sure. Maybe I will after this.
Okay.
Maybe I'll be lazy. So this is the red curry paste for the chicken curry.
Right.
And attached to that is peterselie, is parsley.
Yeah.
In English. I'm not sure what it is in American. What's this now?
It's a brown bag. Open it.
What's inside? It's funny. So, oh, I guess this is all the little seasonings that you need. That's for, I guess, the pork fillet.
Okay.
So let's take that out, and oh, this is actually very good. I'm very impressed. It's got your garlic cloves, exactly how much you need.
It's definitely a solution for lazy people.
Yeah, that's concentrated tomato
Okay.
paste. Wow, I am impressed actually. That's mint. I can't remember what that was for now.
Okay.
Maybe the curry as well. The black salad, that was with salad mix. That comes with the shrine, with the pork fillet. What is this big thing?
Looks like a blanket.
I know it does. Oh,
What is it?
oh, it's a cold pack.
Okay, cool.
What are we supposed to do with this after?
I guess that keeps it cool
Yeah.
while it's. Oh, that's pretty neat.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
We'll put
Cool.
that there. And oh, these mushrooms I do not like. I have a
the big
phobia.
giant mushroom. White for Life hates big gigantic mushrooms,
No.
and they just enclose some.
I have. It's not. So, I can look at it like this. I know it's weird. You probably think I'm just a weird person.
No.
I can look at it like this, but underneath,
Yeah.
I can't look at it for too long.
Alright, I'll have to cut that up for her. It's cool.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Nice and fresh looking, nice and white. See that?
The vegetable does look fresh. It looks better than
Yeah.
the supermarket quality. I must give
does.
that credit.
There's no flaws on them.
No.
Oh, I like these.
Yeah.
Well, sorry, HelloFresh. I made just. Oh, that's rice.
The vegetable is that already cooked rice. No. And that's a little coconut milk. The vegetable looks exactly how it would look in a magazine.
Yes, it does.
You know?
It looks really good. That's potatoes. I have to mash that myself then.
Yes, also got 2 coconut milk.
Yeah.
Tiny ones. And
Onions, red onions. I love red onions.
yeah.
Tomatoes.
We got 1 carrot.
2 carrots.
2.
I guess that's for the curry.
Right. And we got
Tortillas.
tortillas.
Yeah,
it's
so-
it's a good box. I'm impressed.
Yeah, me too. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but
Yeah, I'm
yeah,
impressed.
this is good. Got a lemon there.
Highly recommended.
Yes, So let's see.
Highly recommended. The quality food is highly recommended. So
I'm not sure when I'm going to be cooking them because we bought something from the supermarket to eat today. So I'll put them in the fridge and then decide when.
Yeah, but I'm impressed, you know.
Yeah.
And even though HelloFresh is not sponsoring us, we highly recommend it.
Yes.
The way it was ordered and the timely delivery.
Right.
You know, I'm very impressed with anything that's punctual.
Exactly.
And this is not only punctual but accurate.
Exactly.
You know?
Yes, I really like it. So, yeah, HelloFresh, if you're watching.
Yeah, thumbs up to HelloFresh because normally. With a lot of supermarkets, which you guys know, that's not so much false advertising, but when you see things in the brochure and the supermarket magazine,
and then when you go and get that,
it's totally different. Yeah. So HelloFresh has replicated its online brochure.
Definitely.
So that's pretty much our vlog for today.
Yeah, so we may in the next vlog incorporate what we've cooked from this HelloFresh box. Because I've also been asked to make a cake for somebody, so I'll also put that in the vlog as well, the next vlog, and see my skills.
Girl's been busy, you know. Plus, she has to do a picture of a subscriber of my channel.
Yeah, he won
my raffle.
Yeah. Yeah, and one of the prizes was
portrait.
A portrait. So yeah,
busy girl. Busy girl for this weekend. All right. So signing off.
Ciao for now.
Just like on YouTube, to give brain some new food. We are here in Antina.